Hello students, welcome once again to my channel. Now in this section we have a question over here. Now let's look at the question. Gifty and Justina shared an amount of $418. If Gifty had 20% more than Justina, how much did Justina receive? Now let's look at how we can solve this question. Now it says that Gifty and Justina shared an amount, which is the total amount. So we have the total amount here to be 418, right? $418. Now if the total amount is $418, now it says that Gifty had 20% more than Justina, so which means that in this case let's look at Gifty, right? But before we look at Gifty, let's look at Justina. We don't know what Justina had, right? So let's represent that one by X. So let's say Justina had X, right? Now look at this. It says that if Gifty had 20% more than Justina, so if Gifty is having 20% more than Justina, now let's look at this one here. Now if it's having 20, Gifty is having 20% more than that, right? So now if percent is 100, right, which means that Gifty is added more 20 to it, right? More 20 to the percentage, right, of Justina, right? So that's the idea. So if Gifty had 20% more than that of Justina, right, of Justina, we are representing Justina by X. So which means that Gifty is having 120% of that of Justina, is having more than 20% more than that of Justina. Now if that is the case, now to represent this is just 20% of that is just 120% divided by 100% times X in this case. So 0 cancel that, 0 cancel 0 here. Now remember 2 goes here 6, 2 goes here 5, so we have something like 6 over 5 X in this case, which is equal to 1.2 X, right? So that would be Gifty share. Now if Gifty had 1.2 of that of Justina, then which means that in order for us to find what each one of them had, then which means that Gifty's share plus Justina's share should be equal to the total amount, right? So what is Gifty share? We said that Gifty share is just 1.2x plus Justina. Now we are representing Justina by x. So if we are representing Justina by x, we have this being equal to the total amount. What is the total amount in this case? So the total amount in this case is just $418, right? Now, so now from here we can go ahead and just sum them because they have the same like term. So this one is just going to give us 2.2x equals to 418. Now we divide here by 2.2, divide here by 2.2. This will cancel that, and we have x being equal to, now when I divide this, I should get $119. Now yeah, $190 should give me that. So therefore we can conclude that Justina received, so we can say that Justina received $190. That's what Justina received. Now in order for us to find what Gifty received, then we can therefore go ahead and then because Gifty share is just 20% more than that, so I'll just subtract 418 from that, or 190 from 418, and then the answer will give me that of Gifty share. Right, so thank you very much for joining me in this section, and I'll see you in the next video.